In this video, papakita ko kung paano ang procedure ng programming ng Toyota Vios, Fortuner, FJ Cruiser at Innova. Close all doors, open the driver's door, insert and remove the key twice. Close and open the driver's door twice. Insert and remove the key once. Close and open the driver's door twice. Then insert the key and close the driver's door. Turn the ignition to on position. Remove the key, the central control response twice. Press the lock and unlock buttons of the remote that needs to be programmed at the same time for 5 seconds and then release them. And press any button after 1 second. The central control will be unlocked and locked automatically once, then programming completed. Mas makakamura ka pag ginawa mo to at hindi mo na kailangan pumunta pa ng kasa. Do-it-yourself lang ang bagong program remote key ng inyong sasakyan. Kung gusto mong mag-order, just click the link below. May kasamang 2-blade at battery. Order now!